Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela WebDev. So here we are showing the what I can say is the particular book details. Now it's time for us to make the user, so to let the user to rate this book. So if he likes this book, we need to make the user, or we need to provide an option for the user to rate this particular book. So that we need to provide a stars rating, something like 5-star rating or 4-star rating or 10-star, 9-star rating, whatever it may be. So we need to make the user to rate this book. So for this one we need to show the stars. So let's try to develop this component star rating. So for this one what I will try to do is, so here I will create a new folder star rating. So why? Because I want to make it as a separate component. So in this star rating I will create a new one, star rating.js, and export default function star rating, and here I will return star. So just I am using like this, and this one I need to use it in the book details. So here where we can use it in this one, right? So here in the div, in the bottom div, and I can use it as something like star rating. So now we are getting this all error, right? Why? Because it needs to contain only single parent. So here we can use a React fragment. So I am using a React fragment, and at the bottom also I will use it like this. Let's see how the output will look like. Now if you try to see here, the star is coming, but we are not having a padding. So what we can do here for this one, I can remove this book details thing, okay, and I can make this one as a div, class name is equal to book details. I am applying for this one, and here also I will close this div. So here I will add it like this. Now if you try to see here, so now we are able to get this one. So fine. Now here I will add something like one div rate book, something like this. So rate the book. Now if you see the output for this one, so rate book, we can also have it somewhat bold and all those things. Now here this is a star. So now we need to show some stars and all those things. So for this one let's try to develop it one by one. Now for book details the gap has been removed. So let's go into this one, and here for this d-flex I will have a style. So we'll try to apply this style also, so that you will be also able to understand. So gap 10 pixel I am applying, and for this d-flex I will keep a class align-items-center. I think maybe the class is present or not, I don't know. Okay, leave it. We'll try to there is no need for a center. So fine. Now here we need to develop the star. So here let's say that I need to show it from 1 to 5. So first 5 stars I need to show it. So for this one here I can have array dot from, and this one will take something like length 5. So 5 times it needs to show, and here you will be having a key comma like this. So here what I can do is I need to show the span, and I will show something like I. Let's see how the output will look like. Now here it is showing from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should show from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you can also have something like I plus 1 if you want. Now if you try to see the output, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is visible. Now here 5. So I want to show 5 means, so here I am able to get it 5. Now if I want to show 10 means, I will be able to see the 10. So here it is working. So here instead of showing this numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I need to show the 5 stars. So for this one what we will be having is, I have a SVG code for this one. So here I will create a new component, something like star.js, and in this one export default function star, and I will return the div, and here I will return the SVG. So I will copy this SVG. So I have this SVG available, and I will print this star. Now if you go here, instead of showing this span, and I will show this star, and we need to provide a key. We are looping it, right? So key is equal to I. We can have it as an I. Now let's see how the output will look like. If you try to see here, so we are able to see some big stars, but this one should be aligned horizontally. So for this one what we need to do, here I can use class name is equal to d-flex. Now let's see the output. Yeah, here we are able to see it, but these are somewhat pretty big, right? So it's looking somewhat big. Let's try to decrease the thing, and I will give here the styles. So here I can use the star styles is equal to width. I will make it as an 40 pixel, and height I can make it as an 40 pixel. So enough, I think. So here I can have the class name, sorry, not class name, styles, right? Style is equal to star styles. That's it. Now let's try to see the output. Yeah, now the stars are somewhat okay. Now what I want to do, so these stars are there, I need to show the number also, the rating also. So for this one, let's go to the star rating, and here I can have a rating, constant rating, state variable, constant rating, comma, set rating is equal to use state of something like this. And here in this one only, I want to show the rating. Here I can show if rating is available, show the rating, or otherwise show it as an empty. That's it. Now if you try to see the output, so we are not having anything. So for example, let's say that we are having a 3 value. Now let's see whether we can, so we are able to see 3, but it is showing at the top, so it should not be shown at the top. So we'll try to apply the class something like align-items-center. Maybe it should come at the center. It's not coming, still it's not coming. Why? Because I think maybe the class is not available. Okay, let's try to write this class here, and here I will take this align-items-center, and I will write align-items-center. Now I think maybe it will be visible. Yeah, it's coming center, but I want to increase the size of that one also. So for this one, what I can do, I can apply class name, or otherwise you'll apply the style directly. And here I can apply a font size of 20 pixel. Let's see how it will look like. Nice, somewhat fine, right? So now, okay, the rating which is coming is it's a static one. I need to make it as a dynamic. So that is the main thing which we need to do it. So here whenever I click on particular star, so it needs to show that number. So for example, if I click on the first star, 1, 3 means 3 rating. Like this I need to show it. So for this one, what we can do is, so here I can write something like on rate is equal to handle rating of I plus 1. So it should be I plus 1. Why? Because it starts from 0. So here I can have a function handle rating of rating. So this is a local variable, and here I can write set rating of that rating. So now whoever, so I am sending this rating thing. So here this one as a props, in the star I can catch this one as a on rate, and here on click I can use this on click on SVG, and I will call this on rate. That's it. So it's simple. Now let's try to see it. So here if I click on this one, see I am able to see 3, 4, whatever the star I am trying to click on this one. So we are able to show this. So now what I want to do is, the another step what I need to do is, so first by default it should be empty stars. So whatever the stars up to where I am clicking, so those stars only, for example if I am clicking on the 3 means these 3 stars only should be full stars, but remaining all should be empty stars. So like that we need to do it. So in the next video we will try to implement those things also. So this is how we will be implementing the stars thing, and I will commit this code in the video-65. So that is a new branch, I will create it, video-65, and here add star rating. Okay, and commit this all code and publish this branch. So that's it guys. So if you have any doubts or anything regarding this one, so the GitHub repository link is provided in the description below. So you can start, you can check that code for the reference. And if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.